Alright, it's a sad day. My angle grinder took a shit. I dropped it. It broke the button. Normally I wouldn't care and I would try to repair it. But it's smoked. And it's pretty much toast, so... And it's from Harbor Freight, so who cares? I think I paid 25 bucks for this. So... Yeah, I can't even get the button to break loose to get my pad out of there. Oh well. Had that thing for like 2 years. So guess what? I got another one. I loved it so much. So I guess this is like a unboxing. But I went to Harbor Freight today to get this, and I got some more filler rod for my TIG welder. They're pretty cheap there. If you go to the welding shop, they give you longer ones, and I think they're about the same price. So, you know, probably better to support the local welding shop. But I got gloves there, and they were like, I just brought them to the table and, brought them to the register, and they were very expensive. So sometimes they're hit or miss. But these are great. I've had them for a long time, and I'm no good welder, so I burn the hell out of my gloves and don't take care of them. They're really soft and comfortable, so you pay for what you get, I guess. Anyways, I got this bad boy. Excuse the mess. I don't ever clean up after myself. I just do one cleanup every time I'm done with one project. Directions, put them in the stack. Later, another time. Ooh, beautiful. I like this one. It's got the button on the bottom. The other one had it right here. It was kind of hard to hold, and it was pretty powerful, so it spin out. This one, I think I'll be able to keep it away from my fingers a little bit better. Let's see. I don't know what this is for. Leave a comment below and tell me what this is for, because I have no idea. Maybe I'll put it on my exhaust or something. Little trinket. Oh, nice. But I do need another tool. I bent the hell out of my other one. Not that you really need them too much. All right. Put that to the side. I bought some good discs too. The other ones I bought were too thin. They kept breaking and they just kind of sucked. I didn't really pay attention. I just looked at the price and bought them. Don't do that. Yeah, these ones are already looking better. Sweet, I'm hyped. Now I can finish my non-chopper related build. Building a little thing for my living room. A record holder. I got 1 million of these records and I need a place to put them. All right, it's all set up. Let's try her out. That's so much better. This one's got the switch right here. I feel like it was too close. I don't know, we'll see once I start actually chopping shit up and using the grinder.